Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best and most exciting content to enhance your life. Today, we have a fantastic topic in store for you. If you've ever dreamed of turning your free time into a profitable venture, you are in for a treat. Get ready to explore 7 fun hobbies that can actually make you money, all while doing what you love. So grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss out on these incredible opportunities. First, artistic endeavors. First up, let's delve into the world of artistic hobbies that can earn you some serious cash. There are a variety of methods to make money with your artistic talents, whether you have a passion for painting, photography, or crafting. Consider selling your artwork online through platforms like Etsy, where art enthusiasts eagerly search for unique pieces to adorn their homes. Alternatively, you can participate in local craft fairs or art exhibitions to showcase and sell your creations. With creativity as your guide, the possibilities truly are endless. The first step to making money through artistic endeavors is finding your niche. What makes your art unique? Define your style, your genre, or your theme. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract a specific audience. Remember, it's not just about creating beautiful art, but also about finding your own voice within the artistic world. Making money through artistic endeavors requires dedication, perseverance, and consistency. Treat your art as a business. Set goals, and establish a regular work schedule. Invest time and effort into improving your skills and exploring new techniques. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed to your craft, embrace constructive criticism, and never be afraid to take risks. Second, writing and blogging. Are you a wordsmith at heart? If so, rejoice. Writing and blogging offer incredible potential to generate income. Words have an astonishing power to captivate, engage, and influence. In the digital age we live in, writing and blogging have become essential vehicles to express thoughts, stories, and insights. But did you realize that these abilities can also be profitable? By mastering the art of persuasive writing and creating captivating content, you unlock a gateway to financial independence. Start by creating your own blog or website where you can share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise on a niche topic. Discover what sets your writing apart and appeals to your target audience. Explore genres like personal development, travel, parenting, finance, or even food writing. By focusing, you can position yourself as an authority in that field and attract a following of committed readers. As your blog acquires popularity, you may make money from it by selling your own ebooks or online courses, as well as through advertising and sponsored posts. Additionally, freelance writing for magazines, websites, or businesses can be a great way to earn a steady income while showcasing your exceptional writing skills. Third, fitness and health. In today's health-conscious world, fitness has become a top priority for many. And guess what? You can turn your love for fitness into a side hustle. In a world filled with endless options and influencers, it is crucial to establish yourself as a trusted authority. Start by clearly defining who you are, your expertise, and the unique value you provide. Become a certified fitness instructor and offer group or personal training sessions in your area. You may also produce fitness-related content on websites like YouTube or Instagram to build a following. This will enable you to earn money through brand endorsements and collaborations. Share your passion for healthy living and make money while helping others achieve their fitness goals. Content is king. Whether it is blog posts, video tutorials, or Instagram posts, consistently create valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Share insights, tips, and expert advice to position yourself as the go-to resource. Fourth, cooking and baking. Do you have a culinary flair that often leaves your friends and family begging for more? Well, why not capitalize on your talent and create a cooking or baking business? One way to make money with your culinary and baking skills is through catering. People are constantly seeking exceptional culinary experiences for weddings, corporate events, and private parties. By offering your services as a caterer, you can showcase your creativity and make a substantial profit. Another avenue to explore is creating and selling your signature products. Imagine having your very own line of homemade jams, cookies, bread, or even specialty sauces. By utilizing a well-designed packaging and a unique marketing strategy, you can effectively appeal to potential customers and captivate their hearts and appetites. Create a following on social media and make them clamor for your recipes. You can begin by presenting your delicious dishes there. You can offer catering services for events, provide cooking classes or workshops, or even start your own food blog or YouTube channel. Who knows, you may even become the next culinary sensation, all the while filling your pockets. Fifth, music and performance. Are you a talented musician or performer itching to showcase your skills? Well, there are plenty of opportunities to turn your passion into profit. From intimate venues to grand stages, the possibilities are endless. Start by promoting yourself on social media platforms, creating a buzz around upcoming performances. Reach out to local venues, organize your own gigs, or collaborate with other talented musicians in your community. Consider offering private lessons to aspiring players, performing at local events, or even starting a YouTube channel to share your music with the world. Another fantastic way to earn money is through selling merchandise. Design eye-catching t-shirts, hoodies, or even custom-made accessories that showcase your unique brand as an artist. Establish an online store or set up booths at your live shows to sell these goodies. This not only earns you additional income but also acts as free promotion whenever your fans wear or use your merchandise. If you're more inclined towards performing arts, explore acting, dancing, or even magic tricks. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your performances into a lucrative career, doing what you love the most. Sixth, gardening and landscaping. If you find solace in nature and have a green thumb, then gardening and landscaping may be the perfect money-making hobbies for you. Start by offering your services to neighbors and friends, assisting them in transforming their gardens into beautiful, vibrant spaces. Additionally, you can grow and sell your own plants, flowers, or herbs. From offering landscaping services to starting a garden consultation business, the opportunities in this field are truly limitless. You can even explore niche markets like creating vertical gardens for urban dwellers or look into rare plant propagation. The more niches you go, the better chances you have of standing out in the crowd. Alternatively, create a gardening blog, sharing tips, tricks, and even selling gardening products through affiliate marketing. Think about charging for your knowledge by offering online courses, ebooks, or even conducting workshops. Additionally, explore the idea of selling specialized plant species, crafted garden accessories, or personalized garden maintenance plans. By diversifying your income, you not only maximize profits but also establish yourself as an authority in the field. Let your love for nature blossom alongside your bank account. And finally, app development and tech skills. In our technology-driven world, having app development or tech skills can fuel your financial success. Learn coding languages like Java or Python and embark on the journey of creating your own mobile applications. These apps can be anything from games to productivity tools, catering to the needs and desires of millions. With dedication and a unique idea, your app can take off, earning you substantial revenue through advertisements or in-app purchases. There are several strategies to generate income, such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, and advertisements. However, choose your monetization model carefully, as it should align with your app's purpose and target audience. Develop a sustainable and user-friendly approach to maximize revenue potential while keeping your users engaged. Creating a successful app requires effective marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms, YouTube, and other channels to create engaging content that highlights your app's features and benefits. Partner with popular influencers or bloggers to gain exposure. Furthermore, focusing on App Store optimization, ASO, will increase the app's visibility and attract organic downloads. Embrace the power of technology and let your innovation shine. And there you have it, 7 fun hobbies that can make you money in your free time. From artistic endeavors to fitness, cooking, music, gardening, and tech skills, these passion-driven endeavors can turn into profitable ventures if you commit yourself to success. So, no matter what your interests may be, remember that finding joy in what you do is the key to transforming your free time into a source of income. Channel your passion, unleash your creativity, and get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of financial fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. And as always, remember to live life to the fullest, because when you do what you love, money will naturally follow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate, stay motivated, and stay prosperous.